3 breaths, 2 arms, 1 minute. Let's practice together now. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, aiming to make the exhale about twice as long as the inhale. Again, breathe in and let it out gently. And once more. That's it. Now cross your arms into a self-hug position. Notice how that feels. Your body is literally telling your brain, you're safe. And now, just for a short moment, notice your breathing, your body, your thoughts. And no need to change anything. Just observe. You might want to close your eyes or continue with eyes open. Just be present. And that is the 3-2-1 reset. Quick, portable, and ADHD friendly. And you can use it, in stress spikes, before a task, or even as a mini self-hypnosis by adding in a suggestion like, every day in every way, I am becoming calmer and calmer. So next time when overwhelm hits, remember, 3 breaths, 2 arms, and 1 minute. A reset you can take anywhere. And if you'd like to go deeper into ADHD hypnosis and how it can help you overcome anxiety and overwhelm, then click the link in the description below to grab your free guide, The Eye of Your Storm, How to Manage ADHD Anxiety in 3 Simple Steps. Anyway, you've been listening to me, Jamie Vasilian, the Hypnosis for ADHD Specialist. I look forward to sharing more with you next time, and bye for now.